Honey and onion cough syrup is a homemade remedy that has been used traditionally to alleviate cough symptoms. The syrup is prepared by combining chopped onions with honey and allowing the mixture to sit for several hours or overnight. 1. Honey's soothing properties. Honey is known for its soothing effects on the throat due to its thick consistency and natural sweetness. It can help coat the throat, reducing irritation and coughing. 2. Onions' potential benefits. Onions contain compounds with potential antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Some believe that when combined with honey, the onion's properties might help ease cough symptoms. 3. Preparation. To make the syrup, onions are finely chopped or sliced and mixed with honey. The mixture is allowed to sit, allowing the onion's juices to infuse into the honey. 4. Usage. The syrup is taken in small amounts, often a teaspoon or a tablespoon, as needed for relief from coughing. While many people find this homemade remedy helpful, scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness is limited. Coughs can have various causes, and treating them often requires addressing the underlying condition. Consulting with a healthcare professional is recommended, especially for persistent or severe coughs, to determine the most appropriate treatment. Additionally, individuals allergic to onions should avoid using this remedy.